50 sentences using the phrase in front of.
The car is parked in front of the house.
There's a playground in front of the school.
She stood in front of the mirror, fixing her hair.
He placed his backpack in front of his desk.
We saw a beautiful rainbow in front of us.
She sat in front of the TV, watching her favorite show.
The store is right in front of the mall entrance.
I found a gift on the doorstep in front of my house.
The cat always waits in front of the door to be let in.
He performed a magic trick in front of the audience.
The mountains stretched out in front of us.
She's the captain of the team, leading from in front.
The teacher stood in front of the chalkboard.
There's a long line at the ticket booth in front of the theater.
I like to take long walks in front of the beach.
The bus dropped us off in front of the museum.
She left her shoes in front of the fireplace to dry.
He knelt down in front of her and proposed.
We had a picnic in front of the lake.
The restaurant has outdoor seating in front of the street.
I found a penny in front of the store.
She placed the candy jar in front of the children.
He took a deep breath in front of the microphone.
We played a game of soccer in front of the school.
The traffic light turned red in front of us.
She did a cartwheel in front of her friends.
The parade passed right in front of us.
I put a sign in front of the house for the garage sale.
He held a protest sign in front of the city hall.
We set up a tent in front of the campfire.
The movie theater is right in front of the mall.
She placed the cupcakes in front of the party guests.
He showed a magic trick in front of the children.
We saw a shooting star in front of the night sky.
I found a seashell in front of the ocean.
She danced in front of the audience with grace.
The restaurant has a lovely garden in front of it.
He took a bow in front of the cheering crowd.
We built a sandcastle in front of the beach.
The bike lane is in front of the road.
She placed a bouquet of flowers in front of the altar.
He painted a beautiful mural in front of the school.
We watched a street performer in front of the crowd.
The fountain is right in front of the town square.
I found a lost kitten in front of my doorstep.
She played her guitar in front of the campfire.
He wrote a message in front of the greeting card.
We saw a rainbow in front of the waterfall.
The bakery has fresh bread in front of the store.
I put on a show in front of my family.